NowKnow AI is a brand new software that's making waves in the AI world, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before jumping in. Stick around until the end, because there's one major feature that could change the way you work with AI forever, and it's something you won't hear about anywhere else. Plus, if you're curious, you can try it completely free from the first link below. Let's get into it. Now, Know AI is built to be intuitive and easy to use, even for those new to artificial intelligence. Its primary focus is streamlining workflows, providing actionable insights, and automating tasks that are traditionally time-consuming. What sets it apart is its accessibility to everyone, no matter your technical background. If you're already diving into AI or just curious about the latest tools to boost your productivity, you'll want to hear what's coming. The first thing you need to know is that NowKnow AI is incredibly fast. Whether you're generating content, analyzing data, or automating tasks, this software is designed to work at speed. And when you're trying to streamline your business operations or content creation, speed is essential. You don't want to wait for results, you want them now, and NowKnow AI delivers that in spades. Second, the software's user interface is incredibly clean and user-friendly. There's no overwhelming complexity that comes with some other AI tools out there. This means you can get started right away without a steep learning curve. For digital marketers, content creators, and business owners, this is a huge benefit. You won't waste time figuring out the software, and instead, you can focus on the results. Another thing to mention is NowKnow's customization options. Unlike other AI platforms, this tool allows you to tailor its capabilities specifically to your business needs. Whether you're in content creation, customer service, or sales, NowKnow AI adapts to the demands of your industry, making it versatile for virtually any niche. Fourth, its data analysis capabilities are nothing short of impressive. This software can dig deep into your data, providing valuable insights that help inform better business decisions. For those in digital marketing or sales, having a tool that can quickly process and analyze large volumes of data is a game changer. Now, one of the standout features of NowKnow AI is its advanced automation abilities. You can set up automated workflows that run in the background, saving you valuable time and resources. If you've ever wished you could automate repetitive tasks or improve your workflow efficiency, this tool makes that a reality. From lead generation to customer support, NowKnow AI is designed to take tasks off your plate. What truly sets NowKnow AI apart from the competition is its ability to learn and adapt based on your inputs. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. This adaptability makes it not only a great choice for today, but a tool that gets even better over time. Finally, one of the most exciting features that really stands out is its ability to integrate seamlessly with other platforms and tools. Whether you're using it for marketing, customer management, or content production, you can easily integrate NowKnow AI into your existing tech stack, which makes it incredibly scalable for businesses of all sizes. So, to recap, NowKnow AI is fast, user-friendly, customizable, powerful in data analysis, and packed with automation features. The best part? You can try it for free with the link below. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and this one stands out as a solid choice for both beginners and advanced users alike. If you want to explore more of the best AI software out there, check out the links in the description. I've listed some of my top picks that I've personally tested and recommend. Trust me, if you're into AI, you don't want to miss this.